to have today the onion root tips, which we will excise and use for this experiment. Mitosis is a very important phenomenon. So you need first step to be understood very carefully. We have taken one onion and we are going to take only the root tips, excision of the root tips. I have taken 4-5, you can take little more also. And after excising the root tips, we are going to put all these root tips, transfer these tips into one normal hydrogen chloride solution. You can even take glacial acetic acid in this case, but for glacial acetic acid, which is in a percentage of 1:3, that is acetic acid and ethanol, in that case we need to wait for 1 day, so we cannot have so much of time. Naturally, I am going for hydrogen chloride solution. What is the use of this one normal hydrogen chloride solution? It is going to help us in fixing the cells in whatever stage it is. Like if it's going to be in a prophase or a metaphase, it will be staying in that phase only. And we will transfer these tips. We have taken the root tips. We will transfer them into the solution, and after transferring the tips, we will have intermittent heating. That is, so this is the heating process going on, which is going to continue for 10 minutes. The utility of this process is that it will help us in fixing the cells in whatever stage it is. If it is in a prophase or a metaphase, it will stay in that phase only. This is our third step. We have already done the intermittent heating to fix up the cells in whatever stage it is. Now we are going to transfer these tips. First, give it a rinse in water. I have taken distilled water so that there is no contamination, and transfer the tips, give it a rinse, and then we need to use acetocarmine to give the tips, the root tips must be stained. For staining we are using acetocarmine. Transfer the tips one by one into this stain and wait around 5 to 10 minutes so that these tips take the characteristic red color. If you find that yes, it has taken, no problem in that. If you find that no, it needs to be taken few more minutes, you can give it another few minutes. So in this step, what we are going to do, already we can see that the root tips have been transferred into acetocarmine and it has taken the red characteristic color. Can you see the color it has taken? If you find that the color is a bit more, you can give it a second rinse in distilled water. Transfer these sections very slowly. You can use a blotting paper also. Here I am not using any blotting paper, I am just using my brush. Make sure that the sections are not spoiled, because it's these sections only we are going to prepare. You can see that it's very clear. You can see the sections have taken the characteristic red color, and now we are going to take these sections, and one of those sections we are going to prepare on the slide. So a drop of water, this is distilled water. I am not preparing any permanent section before I use any fixing. Let me clean the glass slide and then I am going to use it. We are nearing the final step. You can see the stain has been there completely, so I have given a second rinse because the red color was a bit more. You can also do the same thing. What you can do, you can use a filter paper, blot this water, soak it up. Otherwise you can transfer these sections into the slide directly. Before transferring the section, I am preparing a temporary slide, so I am using only a drop of water, distilled water. Before I prepare the slide, I need to take only the tips. I think you remember what I said. I do not need the other regions. So what I will be doing is, I will be taking only the tips. with a blade, I am going to only take the tip region. I think I can show you with this portion. Take only the tip, because the other part has already been mature and it has probably elongated also. So only the tips. Use a new blade each time you do these experiments. Yes, I have taken 2. Few more you can take if you have time. And as I am going to prepare a temporary slide, so clean one cover slip as usual. Use your needle to place the cover slip. Carefully. And do one more work, that is squeeze out the excess water which is there in the slide. Without breaking the cover slip, you can give a bit of tapping is required, so I am going to use anything for tapping, but not too much pressure. As you can see, I have done my step. Now what I am left with is sealing the ends of the slide. If I want to keep it for 3 to 4 days, so what I will do is I will seal the ends. It is up to you. If you do not want to keep it, you can just observe it under microscope. If you want to keep the slide for 3 to 4 days, you can seal its end with a little bit of Vaseline or a nail paint, any paint you can use, so that the temperature and the moisture inside the cover slip remains the same. It's only on the slide, and now we are observing it under microscope. In this microscope, as I have said, if you are watching under 10x, the cells would appear very small, and if it is 45x, then you will get a clear view, a better view, because